Welcome back to Chambi's channel. Chambi is now having his lunch with rice and what else? Chicken. Okay, that's nice. That's very delicious, Chambi. How do you do that? We'll just use this. You use your hands, both hands. Yeah. Okay, later. Later, you watch that later. Okay. So you eat na. Oh. Ang spoon is on the right hand, and the fork is on the left hand. Wow. So Chambi knows how to use spoon and fork. Oops. Oops. Wow, is that correct? Is that the right way to hold your spoon and fork? Is that right? I think it's wrong, Chambi. Something's wrong, oh, you know. You cannot get your chicken, oh. You cannot get because now Wawa will help Chambi. That other hand is from Wawa's good hand. And chicken, yes. That's the chicken, Cham.
That's a bone.
That's where's the sabaw. There's no sabaw there.
Bone.
That's the bone.
That's the bone.
Okay.
It's a chicken bone.
The chicken bone. So you like to eat chicken, Cham?
Oh,
Wow. Big mouth. Wow. Let me see. Let me see your mouth. Wow. More. More. Chambi is eating very heartily eating his chicken. Oops. More. Yeah. I'm also hungry looking at you because you are eating no, what you call this, with Ghana. I'm out of English. What's Ghana in English? Yeah. Huh? Okay. Oh, wow. So, whoa. More.
Hold it properly.
Bakbak.
That's yummy. That's yummy lang nga.
Okay, guys. Chambi has finished his chicken. And that's all for his lunch break. Thank you, Chambi.